Trio pain remedy. Aconite, Coffea, Chamomilla. Comparison. Aconite. We know aconite is a fearful remedy, very fearful remedy. So, pain with restlessness, anxiety, and fear. Aconite is one of trio restless remedy also. So, we mention restlessness here. And in Coffea, pain with excitement. We know Rubiaceae family, all the remedies have that excitement. Chamomilla, pain with irritability. Very angry, irritable, they scold others. Ailments from in Aconite, fear or sudden emotion. Cold wind exposure, riding in the wind. Coffea, on exposure to cold from emotions, from excitement and from joy. In Chamomilla, scolding, punishment, anger, aggravation. Reaction during pain. In Aconite, they have weeping, they cry, scream, and severe, intense, intolerable pain they have. Here, pain also very intolerable, and people scream. In Coffea, pitiful weeping from pain and changing emotion. They weep and suddenly they laugh. In Chamomilla, little pain with great suffering. Chamomilla actually very sensitive to pain. So they have very little pain but they react so much. They quarrel, they scold, anger, answer snappishly. Abruptly they answer. Type of pain. In Aconite, stitching, shooting, burning, tearing pain. Pains are like knives, they are cutting, stinging, stabbing, burning pain. In Coffea, intense stinging, burning pains. In Chamomilla, they are very sensitive pain, so little pain with much suffering. In Aconite, they have to lie on back. Pain aggravation lying on side and ameliorated by lying on back. In Coffea, pain works from motion and from the air. So aggravation walking. In Chamomilla, pains are violent that he can't keep still. They have very sensitivity to pain. So they feel little pain also so violent and they can't keep still. In child, he wants to be carried. But in adults, they have pain at night in bed, so he gets up and walks the floor. Movement amelioration. In Aconite, with the pain, they have numbness, tingling, or formication. In Chamomilla, they are extremely sensitive to pain, but the pains themselves cause a numb feeling. So they get a paralyzing pain. In Aconite, aggravation from cold. In Coffea also aggravation from cold air, cold weather. Aversion to cold weather and aversion to open air unless it is very warm and still. Aversion to any kind of wind. In Chamomilla also aggravation from cold. In Aconite, amelioration by warmth. In Coffea also amelioration by warmth, but pain in the mouth and jaw better from holding ice cold water in the mouth. Cannot drink warm tea. In Chamomilla, pains are mostly ameliorated by heat, exception of teeth and jaw. Toothache, pain ameliorated by cold and made worse by heat. In Aconite, pain worse in the evening or night. In Coffea, pains are increased by noise. Sensitiveness of hearing is so great that sounds are very painful. In Chamomilla, worse when thinking about the pain, evening, especially at 9 o'clock, and night, sometimes before midnight aggravation. In Coffea, pain aggravation by movement, but in Chamomilla, pain aggravation by passive motion. So in children we can see being carried ambulation. In adults they have to walk during the pain. In Aconite, death desires during pain. In Coffea, extremely sensitive to pain, they cries out, sees visions, hears all sorts of noises. In Chamomilla, thirsty and hot with the pain. When the pain come, no matter where, they get fever and face red, especially on one side, head hot, extremely irritable they become. Thank you guys. Comment any your doubts from Materia Medica and therapeutics below this video. We are here to help you. Have a nice day.